welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to jump right into this. I want to show you how to strip furniture the easy way. I'm using the Easy Green stripper, but you can also use another stripper from Home Depot, which is, I use that one also. So I just had more of this, so I'm just using that. So first, of course, we're just going to apply a thin coat on top of the piece. I work in sections. I don't try to put everything on the whole piece at one time. To me, it seems like it, it dries out and then it won't strip. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I did strip my mother's whole kitchen, and so I learned some things on there, and I want to share those with you. So that's just all I'm doing, is just doing that. So it has sat for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I opened the door to get ventilation. So I'm going to scrape it off, and then I'm just going to reapply. That's how I do it. I just found that just letting it sit, activate, scraping it off, reapplying lightly is the best results for me. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So when I say that I tried every method there was to try to make this process faster, I tried different products to make things go fast, and I've also tried the way where they, you put the coating on it, you let it sit overnight with plastic. That didn't work for me. When I pulled the plastic up, it was dry, so it had stuck, I would say, to the piece. So yeah, I didn't do it like that anymore. So the fastest way I found to do it was to apply, and I said a thin coat, but it's really like a full coat where it's you making sure everything is saturated and covered. You let it sit, then you scrape it off, and then I reapply and let that sit, and then scrape that off. So it's a little chilly out today, so what I'm doing is I'm closing the door and I'm cutting on the heat so that it'll, activate. Can't be too cold or it won't work well. Okay, so I have put the second coat on and scraped that off, and I'm just gonna wipe off some of the excess. going to use some mineral spirits in this 3M maroon pad. I usually use those, and I just cut it in half to make it, so I could just beat this one up and then use the other side. So. Now this is the most satisfying part to me. The maroon pad and the mineral spirits really gets any of that gummy residue off, and anything that it just makes the finish so much smoother. Now when I tell you I did this on all, I want to say my mother had like 26 doors, front and back. And I did this process on all of them, and that's why I know that it works. It works really well for me. And this is not my system that I came up with. I was on the internet, I was on YouTube trying to find the best method, and this turned out to be the best method for me. Apply, scrape off, apply, reapply, scrape off, and then use your mineral spirits with the maroon pad to scrub up all of the rest of the gum and the gook that's on there in the finish. It really, really makes a big difference. Okay, so now it is stripped, and the top anyway. I still got to do the sides, but now it's stripped and ready to be repaired. There's some repairs in the back that I need to do back here, and it's just a little bit of repairs, so repairs, sanded, and then I'm finally gonna be ready for color. Now color, I am so all over the place. I want to kind of keep it light, like light colors. So give me some ideas. Not gray. I'm so sick of gray, and not black. So give me some ideas. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Zeta, Second Gaze Restoration.